Hey everyone, Motorcycle Geek. Today I got something new to show you. It came in my mail a couple days ago. It's this package. It's from China and it's a part of a new exhaust. I already got a replacement exhaust from China installed already. It's a high mount exhaust. This pipe will make it a low mount exhaust. So yeah, let's use some magic and unwrap it. Ta-da! So what this does is this will be mounted under the engine, go underneath it, and then the exhaust will be mounted lower than it is right now. It's a bit the same as the self-made exhaust that was already on my GROM when I bought it. But right now it looks more like a fake Aprapovich thing from China. And I'm curious to know what the difference will be performance-wise and sound-wise, because it will be a shorter pipe that the air will go through. So perhaps it's gonna be better, maybe it's gonna be louder or more silent, I don't know. We gotta find out. But first I will make a sound recording of my current exhaust. I will mount the original one on the GROM to show you the differences, and then we will listen to this one. Yeah, so I will come back to you in a moment when I've installed this new exhaust and have done all my sound measurements.